Hello, in this video, you will learn how to add supplier payment. So let's dive right in. Go to supplier, click on it. Then you go to supplier payment. You click right here, you click on new payment. So you enter the information required and submit. But then let's add the supplier, the information. So at some point you have to type and click. Okay. Okay, close this bank. Then this. How much are you paying the person? 50,000 naira. All right. So every other information you have to input here. If you have them, you can input, but if you don't, click on create payments. Yeah, this operation was successful. You click on it. So over here, you've seen the what we just created, the payment we just created. So this icon here is for you to edit on it. If you want to edit, just in case you have a mistake and you want to edit it or add, subtract anything, you can always come back. When you're done, you click on update payments and it also take you back to this. Right here is the invoices or the receipt that when you click, you can be able to print out this thing, the payment voucher. So you can be able to print out if you want to. So, but if not, you don't have anything. So this is payment list. Over here is payment list. So you see this the list of payments that you have been able to make. So if you want to send a mail to this particular supplier, this is the icon. You click this envelope icon. There's an email icon. You click on it to send a message to your supplier. So this is how you can generate a supplier payment and have it recorded, have the report recorded in your system. Thank you for watching.